You are launching a Reg-A to non-accredited investors, to everybody. You and I might understand what you were talking about for 5 minutes, but how do you explain that kind of sophisticated concept to somebody who has never had the opportunity to invest in real estate before and may not know what a mortgage is? Let's start with that, right?
Right. You know what they do know? They do know what a good story is. They do know the story of Berkshire Hathaway. And so we tell stories and we draw comparisons. You know, Berkshire Hathaway, when it went public, didn't attract any institutional investor interest for years. They basically raised all their money in their stock offerings from what they call retail clients, which is individual human beings that were basically their customers and people that they had connectivity to. Wouldn't you have liked to have been one of the first 10,000 shareholders in Berkshire Hathaway? Right. That's one way to put it. I mean, we have a vision and a plan that is a 100-year vision. We have investors that are investing with us for 10, 15, 25 years at a time that are looking to pass shares down to their kids. And so we have to have a long-term outlook. And because of that, we can draw comparisons to a company like Berkshire that creates value along the way, that never really sells stock. It uses the money from the businesses it owns to buy more businesses and compound the returns. That's the same thing that we do in our model, or very similar to what we do in our model. So we have a very similar financial model in the stock to a Berkshire Hathaway. We're just a lot earlier stage. So that's one way to think about it. And, you know, the other way to think about it is, if all this stuff, this technical stuff sounds really interesting to you and you want to be an insider and you want to buy like we do and you want to buy foreclosure properties or go to buy non-just performing debt and that kind of stuff, you can't do it on your own, but you can do it with us. Be a shareholder, own the stock that I own.